Welcome to the last devlog with proper development for Antiqa. And if you're watching this when it's just released, hope you had a nice Christmas. In this episode we will go through all the final things I want to do before making Antiqa publicly available. And I will also inform you about the 2026 project, which I will start making instead. More about that at the end of the video. But let me tell you what I've done. Basic login UI is set up. There's also some error message if you try to register something that isn't allowed. You can now register a new player. This took a lot of behind the scenes changes, like register functions, login functions, changing what order stuff would happen. This has probably broken a bunch of stuff, but we'll burn that bridge when we get to it. When registering or logging in with the player, you go to the character customization, where the current character colors load in and you can change them. Pressing the join game, it checks if any colors have been changed and in that case save the new colors. Unfortunately, the large changes have made you unable to play as the server can't spawn the player currently. The login and registration system now works. I'm so glad. I only had a few issues with it, but now it's time to refine it and fix the name labels. Well, the name labels are fixed, but now it spawns 2 players? Huh? What? Fixed. Just checking that we don't spawn another player for the client on the server side. Logout button now exists, so you can regret logging in on one account. There are now blacklisted words. When someone tries to include a blacklisted word, it tells them it's unavailable and clears the username field. Can't show the list in this video for obvious reasons. Added a field in player save data that stores the date created and the last time they logged in. During this, I've updated the walls. They look so nice now in comparison to the old grey ones. Also updated the shadows on trees to be more transparent and added to all the other objects that already have a shadow. That's also a small green corner over there, gonna fix that, but otherwise the pixel art is done. A bit of quality of life, but you can tab and present in the login register screen. Won't try to log you in or register you if any of the input fields are empty. Might have shown this before, can't remember, but 2 of the chat commands are now available to a player as well. The current tile, which shows you current tile coordinates, and experience at command, which tells you how much experience you need for a certain level. Final thing that I'll probably add is a logout button. You can log out as a player with either the new logout button or using the home key. And that's it. That's how Antiqa will look when you can play it. There might be some balancing changes and bug fixes after some more testing, but visually, it's done. It was difficult to not keep adding things as I keep thinking, that would be a nice feature. Anyhow, let me tell you about the new project. The working title is Magebane. This cute hack and slash RPG that my wife Yanira has actually started developing. But she isn't a programmer, so she struggled a lot, and I helped when I could. After a while we just came to the conclusion that it would be so much easier if I did most of the programming, and she could focus on the art. With our powers combined, and me not wanting to split up on 2 projects, and me actually wanting to release a game someday, and it will just be nice to not work on a multiplayer game for a change. But now I want to switch over to working on Magebane entirely. If you want some more information about Magebane, you can watch a few devlogs over at Yanidra's channel, linked in the description. Final notes, when I get done setting up a temporary server for Antiqa during the next year, I will inform you guys and give you about a month or so to play it. Also after that, I will start streaming game development once a week to keep the progress going. Hope you guys are excited for what's to come, and thank you all so very much for the support on these videos over the year. I hope you stay around for new kind of devlogs. Anyhow, thank you so very much for watching. Till next time, see ya.